Greengeeks is a web hosting company that distinguishes itself by being environmentally friendly. They offer a range of hosting solutions, including shared hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated servers. Go to Greengeeks Web Hosting, link in video description. Here's a breakdown of what Greengeeks offers. Eco-friendly hosting. Greengeeks is committed to being carbon reducing. They replace 3 times the amount of energy they consume from the grid in the form of renewable energy credits. Shared hosting. Their shared hosting plans are suitable for small to medium-sized websites. They offer unlimited web space, bandwidth, and email accounts, along with a free domain name for the first year. WordPress hosting. Greengeeks offers specialized WordPress hosting optimized for performance and security, including automatic updates and enhanced security features. VPS hosting. Virtual private servers provide more power and flexibility than shared hosting. Greengeeks offers scalable VPS hosting plans with SSD storage and advanced security features. Dedicated servers. For websites with high traffic or resource-intensive applications, Greengeeks provides dedicated server solutions with full root access and customization options. Pros. Environmentally friendly. Greengeeks' commitment to eco-friendly hosting is a major selling point for environmentally conscious users. Reliable performance. They boast a 99.9% uptime guarantee backed by robust infrastructure and data centers. 24/7 support. Their customer support team is available round the clock via live chat, phone, and email. Feature-rich plans. Their hosting plans come with a variety of features like free domain registration, website builder, unlimited resources, and security features. Cons. Pricing. Starting from $2.95 per month, while competitive, some users might find Greengeeks pricing slightly higher compared to other hosting providers. Limited data center locations. Greengeeks has data centers in the United States, Canada, and Europe, which might be a limitation for users targeting other regions. Ease of use. Greengeeks offers an intuitive user interface and a user-friendly control panel, making it easy for beginners to set up and manage their websites. They also provide one-click installation for popular CMS platforms like WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. Suitable for environmental advocates. If you prioritize sustainability and want to host your website with a company committed to reducing its carbon footprint, Greengeeks is an ideal choice. Small to medium-sized businesses. Their shared hosting and WordPress hosting plans are suitable for startups, small businesses, and bloggers looking for reliable and scalable hosting solutions. Developers. Developers will appreciate Greengeeks' developer-friendly features like SSH access, Git integration, and support for various programming languages. Overall, Greengeeks offers a compelling hosting solution for individuals and businesses alike, combining reliable performance with a commitment to environmental sustainability. If you're in the market for hosting and want to support a green initiative, I'd encourage you to give Greengeeks a try. Go to Greengeeks.